Hi guys, it's time for science. Today I'd like for you to grab your Taking Care of Earth book. Yours is the photocopy version, but I thought I would read to you from the colored copy so you could get a better idea of what the pictures really look like. Go grab your book so we can read together. Awesome. Welcome back. Taking Care of Earth by Jessica Quimbly. I had to take my book apart so that I could make your copies. It's perfect, huh? Okay. Do you ever recycle? Maybe you drop your empty juice bottles in the recycling bin. Maybe you put out newspapers each week for recycling. These are both ways to protect the environment. The environment is the natural world around you. Land, water, and air are all part of the environment. It is important to protect the environment and keep it clean. Here's the caption. Have you seen recycling bins like these in your community? Okay. Protecting the land. On an ordinary day, the average person in the United States throws away about 3 pounds of garbage. Some of this trash is recycled, but most of it is taken to a landfill. A landfill is a special place designed to hold garbage. Every day, the landfill is covered with 6 inches of dirt to keep it clean and to make sure the garbage cannot blow away. Here's the caption. Seagulls try to get food scraps from this landfill before everything is covered with dirt. Okay, top of this page. When they are filled up, landfills are covered with more dirt, planted with grass and trees, and are often turned into parks or recreation areas. Landfills were first started because people wanted to protect the land. However, there are many people who are worried that if we produce too much garbage, we will run out of the kinds of places that are good for landfills. Much of the trash that goes into landfills could have been recycled or reused. If we are careful about what we throw away, we will not run out of space for the landfills. Okay, I'm going to stop right there on page 6. I'll stop on page 5. I just want to tell you a little story. How many of you have ever been to Travers Park? Ta-da! Mrs. Travers Park. Well, Travers Park is a park that was built on top, you guessed it, of a landfill because we needed to make it filled up and we needed to top it off with dirt. And so that's why we created the landfill, the park, sorry. And so one more thing I wanted to tell you, just because it's a fun tidbit of information, that Travers Park is actually named after Mr. Travers' father because he was a baseball coach for years, and so they wanted to name him after the park. Super cool. Okay, so your job today, your science job, is to get 3 glass jars, or maybe more, check out your trash, and put something in each jar and fill it with water and put the lid on. I'll show you a sample later. And what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what things will decompose. So I want you to put a paper. Let me get my notes. Let me find my notes. I want scraps of paper in one jar, some food scraps in one jar, and maybe some plastic or metal in a different jar. And you'll need to put them somewhere safe, but hopefully they have lids So you can see in every day and you can make observations on it to see which one decomposes. The word decompose is our next word. So be figuring out what the word decompose means. And in your journal today, your job is to write down which of the items in the jars you think is going to dissolve and change and why you think that. Got it? And then color a little bit more of your Earth Day packet. Big job. Super fun. Okay, talk to you soon. I can't wait to find out.